but we're going to go straight to an email question that came in from one of our viewers. And this question comes from Russ, and Russ says, I signed a consent form before I had surgery. Does that mean that I have no grounds to sue the doctor if something went wrong? Thank you for your questions, and we'll let Seth answer.
Yeah, Russ, that's a great question. It's one that we see a lot. So when you talk about a consent form, what you're really talking about is informed consent. And so look, we all know that anytime you have a surgery, there's this inherent risk, like something could go wrong, because it's just it's a dangerous procedure generally, even the most routine ones. And so what we're talking about though, like for instance, last summer I had surgery. I had neck surgery. And my doctor was Dr. Graham Calvert, who's one of the best surgeons in the country. And before we had the surgery, we went over an informed consent form, and he talked to me about the risk that were implied with the surgery. And so if something had gone wrong just naturally, then no, there wouldn't have been a medical malpractice claim, and I signed that informed consent form, so I probably wouldn't have been able to have a claim against him. But if we had gone to some other surgeon and maybe while I was out, the anesthesiologist was playing on his phone, and you know he wasn't checking my oxygen levels, and something bad happened, then yeah, that's negligence. And so that's what we're looking for with medical malpractice claims. We're looking for medical negligence. We're looking for how a doctor or other healthcare professional breaches a standard of care. So yeah, look, I get the question, and the informed consent form does not absolve a doctor of complete liability. Great question.